is to be in this beautiful house, all alone with you, with no disturbance. And as for the kitchen, leave that to me. I will handle that professionally. I will also help you with other chores. You know the chores I mean? Bedroom chores, of course.
Bedroom chores.
Of course.
I think I like the sound of that. Stephanie, you and I will have to talk about this later. You know, I like that. Have to talk about this later.
Okay. I'll see you later.
It's alright.
Make sure you take care of yourself.
Yeah.